Hey everyone, if your controller is not working or not being detected in Resident Evil Requiem on PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several solutions step by step to fix the problem. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library, right-click Resident Evil Requiem, select Properties. Go to the Controller tab on the left, find Override for Resident Evil Requiem. Select Enable Steam Input from the drop-down menu. Now launch the game and test your controller. If it still doesn't work, go back to the same menu. Select Disable Steam Input instead. Launch the game again and test it. Solution 2. Open Steam. Click on Steam in the top left. Click on Settings. Go to the Controller section. Locate External Gamepad Settings. Now enable only the controller support you actually use. If you use an Xbox controller, enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers. If it doesn't work, try disabling it instead. If you use a PlayStation controller, find PlayStation controller support. Try setting it to Not Enabled. If that doesn't work, try Enable in games without support. If you use a Switch or generic controller, enable the correct support for that controller. You can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver if needed. Solution 3. Open the Start menu. Type Device Manager and open it. Expand Human Interface Devices. Locate your gamepad. Right-click it and select Disable Device. Right-click it again and select Enable Device. Now test your controller in the game. Solution 4. If it's still not working, in Device Manager, right-click your controller. Select Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose your controller driver. Click Next. Wait for the driver to install. Now launch Resident Evil Requiem and test your controller again. One of these solutions should fix your controller issue. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.